Hi guys, this is Cheryl and I'm the person behind this page. And today, I just found out that you can actually speak to ChatGPT. So, ito, we are gonna try it and see how you go. Okay. So first, you need to upload the ChatGPT. I think the original one, and that's it. Sign up or log into your, ChatGPT account. Okay, here we go. Just go to the voice mode. Press natin. There you go. You see?
Good night, Cheryl. Take care.
Hi, ChatGPT.
Hi, Cheryl. How are you doing today?
I'm good, thank you. I just want to show the followers, about this feature. So should we give them an example? Could you please say something about me?
Of course, Cheryl is a dedicated nurse in the UK and a loving single mum. She's been working extra hours to provide for her family and dreamed of having more time with them. Cheryl found an online business that allows her to do just that, while also helping her parents back in the Philippines. She's passionate about encouraging and inspiring others to start their own online businesses just like she did. It's all about flexibility, family time, and creating a better future.
Wow, you amaze me, ChatGPT.
Thank you so much, Cheryl. You're doing amazing things, and it's inspiring to see how you're balancing everything. Keep up the great work, and remember, I'm here to support you anytime.
Right. So, another question. Can you actually speak Tagalog?
Oo, marunong ako mag-Tagalog. Ano ang gusto mong pag-usapan?
Wow, ang galing mo naman.
Salamat, Cheryl. Masaya akong makatulong. Anong bagay ang gusto mong pag-usapan o itanong?
Okay, paki-Tagalog yung sinabi mo kanina tungkol sa akin.
Siyempre, si Cheryl ay isang masipag na nurse sa UK at isang mapagmahal na single mom. Matagal na siyang nagtatrabaho ng dagdag oras para masuportahan ang kanyang pamilya at nangangarap ng mas maraming oras kasama sila. Nakahanap siya ng isang online na negosyo na nagbibigay sa kanya ng kalayaan at mas maraming oras para sa pamilya. Mahilig siyang magbigay ng inspirasyon at hikayatin ng iba na magsimula ng kanilang sariling online na negosyo, katulad ng ginawa niya. Ang layunin niya ay magkaroon ng flexibility, oras para sa pamilya, at makalikha ng mas magandang kinabukasan.
Wow, ang galing mo talaga, ChatGPT. Okay, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa iyong time.
Walang anuman, Cheryl. Masaya akong makatulong. Ingat ka palagi at sana maganda ang araw mo.
Okay, maraming salamat din. Good night.
Good night, Cheryl. Take care.
Oh my God. Wow, ang galing. So yan, yan ang bagong feature ngayon ng ChatGPT. I-show ko po kung anong app yung ginamit ko. Okay? Follow for more. Thank you. Bye.